on the Combine, on the S660, and yes, the advertising is correct, guys. 9.8 engine hours, 0.6 separator hours. Guys, she's got the auto track ready, got the folding grain tank, premium cab. We talked to you, and we've got extra build sheets up here if anybody needs to see a build sheet on the Combine. If you need to see a build sheet on the Combine, we do have some warranty that does go along with the machine. Again, bought and serviced right up here at our good friends at JD Equipment. And guys, if you've never been to our auctions before, again, we'll say the Combine, we'll say all the headers go separate. We do not ever put them back together. So we'll say the Combine, say the box. 2016, guys, again, 9.8 engine hours, 0.6 separator hours. And again, something that's never been done before, right here in front of you. All right, Combine time. How about Sean to be able to buy on the S660? How about Sean to be able to buy get 300,000. I'm at $300,000, $200 down, 2 1/4. You look at 2, look at 25, look at 200 down, 2 1/4. You look at 2, look at $25, Sean to buy 200 down, quarter. I'm at 2 now, look at 2 now, look at 250,000. You look at 2, look at 5, look at 250,000, Sean to buy 250. You look at $250,000, Sean to buy 2, look at 5, look at 250. Now 275. You look at 275. You look at 2, look at 75, look at 5, look at 275,000. Hey, look at 2, look at 75, look at 260 then. I'll go the long way. Hey, look at 250 now, 60. You look at $260,000, Sean, look at 70, look at 260. And now 70. You look at 2, look at 7, look at 70, look at 270. WJ, you're out. Hey, look at 270,000. You look at 2, look at 7, look at 70, look at 270,000. Hey, look at 2, look at 7, look at 70, look at $270,000, Sean, look at 70, 270. Hey, look at 270. You look at 2, look at 7, look at 70, look at $270,000, Sean, you look at 270. Hey, you look at 65, now 270. Hey, you look at 2, look at 70,
that's going to be the minimum. 5,000 is the minimum.
5,000 is our minimum bid increment, guys, but I want to tell you, like everything else we sold today, it sells absolute to the high bidder. 265, 270. Hey, look at 2, look at 7, look at 70, look at 270, down 5. Hey, look at 75, look at 5, look at 275. Hey, look at 2, look at 75, look at 5, look at 5, look at 275,000. Hey, look at 2, look at 75, look at 5, look at 275. You look at 2, look at 75, look at 5, look at 275,000. Hey, look at 275. You look at 2, look at 75, look at 5, WJ's got the bid on the phone. 270, 275. Hey, look at 2, look at 75, look at 5. Anybody else? I want to give you enough time. 275. Hey, look at 2, look at 75, look at 275,000. Hey, look at 2, look at 75, look at 275. How you coming, Dale? Hey, look at 275. You look at 2, look at 75, look at anybody else? I don't want to miss you. 275, 275. Anybody else? 275, 275. You look at 2, look at 75, now 80. Hey, you look at $280,000, Sean, look at 50, look at 280. Hey, you look at $50,000, Sean, look at 280, 280, WJ gonna be 280. Hey, look at 50, look at 50, look at $280,000, Sean, look at 50, look at 280,000. I'm at $280,000, Sean, look at 50, look at $280,000, Sean, look at now 85. I'm at 285. Hey, look at 2, look at 85, look at 280. You want to get 285? What do you say, Nick? Is your man done? You look at 85, look at 285. Everybody else? You look at 285, 285 to bid on the Rendai. 285, 285, 285 to bid on a Rendai. Sold $280,000. WJ on the phone.
Buyer 63.
Buyer number 63. Thank you. Buyer 63.
Hey,
all right, same deal. Brand new quarter head. 2016 on the 606C. I'm a dollar Sean able to bid on the table. I'm going to get $5 Sean able to be able to buy. Get 50,000. I'm at $50,000 Sean able to buy. Get $50,000. See it, Colonel. You get $50,000 Sean able to buy. Get 50, 20, no 5. Hey, you get $25,000 Sean able to buy. Get $25,000 Sean able to buy. Now 30,000. Hey, you get 25. Get $30,000 now. $5, look at $35,000, Sean, look at 30 now, 5. Look at 1 now, 2. You look at 30, mama, look at 2, look at 3, mama, look at 32. I look at 30, mama, look at 2, down 3, mama, look at 33, mama, look at 3, mama, look at down 4, mama, look at 34, 35. I look at 35, mama, look at 35, 36, and you look at 35, look at 70, mama, look at 36,000. Never been to the field. You look at 35, look at 36,000. You look at 35, look at 70, mama, look at $36,000. Sean, mama, look at 70, mama, you look at 36,000. I'm at 35, look at $36,000. Sean, mama, look at 70, mama, WJ, your man interested. You look at 36,000. You look at 35, look at 70, mama, look at $36,000. Sean, mama, look at 70, mama, look at 36 on her, and I sold 36. Did he say 6?
No, well, don't do that to me, Wes.
36? Sold 35,000.
We're good. Hold on, I'm getting you the number.
Okay.
240.
240. Buyer number 240. 240.
That was my money, 35.
35 even. All